Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss on atomic and ionic radii, then covalent radii, metallic radii, van der Waals radii. Okay, so last lecture we are discuss on shielding or screening effect, Slater rule and effective nuclear charge. Okay, so today we are discuss on atomic and ionic radii. Okay, so in which what is the atomic radii? Atomic radii is the radius between atomic radius is the size of atom from distance from nucleus to outermost electron. Okay, atomic radius, it is the radius or size of atom distance from the nucleus to outermost electron. Okay, in periodic table, first group, first A, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, top to bottom. Group first, top to bottom, lithium to cesium, atomic size are increased. Okay, so what is the atomic radius? Distance between nucleus to outermost electron. Okay, so lithium, its atomic radius is smaller than sodium, sodium smaller than potassium. Okay, similarly in group second, barium, manganese, calcium, strontium and barium. Okay, group second A, atomic size or atomic radius increasing from top to bottom. And in period, first period hydrogen and helium. Okay, second period lithium, barium, barium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, so in period left to right, left to right, atomic radius decrease. Okay, and top to bottom increase. Okay, so this is the atomic radius. And the atomic, there are three types of atomic radius. Okay, first is the covalent atomic radius, second metallic radius, and third one is the van der Waals radius. Okay, first covalent radius. Covalent radius, what is the covalent bond? Sharing of electrons. Okay, so to forms a covalent bond. Okay, in the figure metallic radius. Okay, sodium metal interacts with to forms a sodium metal in metallic radius. Similarly in covalent radius, like carbon carbon, here shown here covalent radius or metallic radius. Okay, then ionic radius. Ionic radius interaction positive and negative. Okay, so ionic radius in which distance from one nucleus to sodium atoms nucleus to chlorine atom, distance between two nucleus. Okay, so this is the ionic radius. And right hand side van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius, it is the radius of inert elements or inert group elements. Okay, suppose helium or neon, these are the inert elements and these elements does not interact with each other. So these two elements in which electron outermost of electron is negatively charged, these electrons repel each other. Okay, similarly in nucleus is positive charge. One helium or neon, nucleus positive charge, they are a repel. Okay, So one atom nucleus interacts with outermost electron of another atoms. This interaction is called the van der Waals radius. Okay, these molecules holds together for the van der Waals radius. Okay, and these van der Waals radius calculate by using distance between two nucleus. Okay, right hand side. Now here I am showing a first argon 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 atoms. It is a van der Waals types of radius. Okay, so argon to argon, argon nucleus to argon nucleus, this is the van der Waals radius. Okay, molecules hold together. Okay, but in second is the sodium chloride, this is the ionic salt. Okay, sodium chloride, it is a ionic types of or ionic types of radii. Second is the chlorine, chlorine, it is present in covalent radius. Okay, so distance between one chlorine nucleus to another chlorine nucleus is called a covalent radius. Similarly in sodium metal, in which sodium nucleus to another sodium metal ion nucleus, this distance is the metallic radius. So next is the ionic radius. Okay, ionic radius, size of atom when it is an ion. Okay, so there are different types of ion. Okay, it may be positive ions, it may be negative ions. Positive ions is cation and negative is anion. Okay, so ionic radius in periodic table, the ionic radius similar like this atomic radius. So top to bottom in first group, lithium atoms to rubidium atom, ionic size are increased, but they forms a ion. When its ion form, its lose outermost electron to form a positive ions. If they gain electron to form a negative ion. Okay, so lithium atom lose one electron to form a lithium plus and decrease the its ionic radius. Okay, similarly if atoms gain electron to form a negative ion and negative ion then increase the atomic size. Okay, so this is the trend of atomic size of neutral atoms as well as if they are form a charge. Okay, so top to bottom increase the atomic radius as well as ionic radius. In left to right also decrease. Okay, so now here ions, how they are formed. Positive ions, if removal of electron, they forms a positive ions, and negative ions, if addition of electrons in atom to forms a negative ion. Okay, positive ions is cation and negative ions is the anion. Okay, so here I am showing size of atom. Positive ions, sodium in figure first, sodium metals, it is a neutral metal. Okay, if they are loose to form a sodium cation, in neutral forms its atomic radius is the 186 pm. If they are lose one electron, outermost cell one electron lose to form a sodium plus ion and its atomic radius is, ionic radius is 97 ppm. So decrease the size of sodium metal ion. Okay, So positive ions are always smaller than the neutral atom. Okay, so loss of outer shell electron to form say positive ions. Similarly in negative ions, in second figure, chlorine atoms. In a neutral chlorine atoms, atomic or ionic size is 99 ppm. If they are gain one electron to form say Cl minus ion, means negative ion, cation forms, at that time increase its atomic radii. Okay, so its atomic radii is Cl minus atomic radii is 181 ppm pm. Okay, so increase the atomic radius in the form of negative ion. Okay, negative ions are always larger than neutral atoms and gaining the electron to form say negative ions, okay, or cations. Here ion size trend in periodic table. Ion size trend in periodic table. If we going from left to right, there is decrease in size of positive ions. Starting with group 5 means from boron, carbon, nitrogen, etc. Group 5 there is sharp increase followed by decrease in size of anion as you move from left to right. Okay, so in ionic size trend in periodic table in group top to bottom, ionic size trend in column. When we move from top to bottom, ionic size increase as you move down a column for both positive and negative ions. So top to bottom increase the size of ion from top to bottom. Here radii of neutral atom. Okay, the atomic radius of an atom is defined as half the distance between nuclei in a homonuclear bond. Radii of neutral atom, the atomic radius of atom is defined as half the distance between nuclei in homonuclear bond. Okay, so first figure left hand side metallic radius, okay, sodium metal radius, distance from one nucleus to another distance. Okay, so in next covalent radius. Okay, so covalent radius is the distance from two atoms. Okay, in general radii decrease across the period because of increasing Z star. In last lecture we are discussed a screening constant. Okay, effective nuclear charge. So radii decrease across the period because of increasing effective nuclear charge. So radii increase down the group because of increasing distance of the electron from outermost shell. Okay, so in period left to right decrease the size and top to bottom increase the atomic radius. Okay, so here we are discuss on radii of ions, okay, in different period. Okay, so this is the self consistent cell because O2 minus negative ions, there are 2 minus charge, so increase the atomic radius of O2 minus 2, 1.4 or 1.38 angstrom. It is the ionic radius of oxygen atom. Okay, so ionic radius or ionic radii depends on the magnitude of charge of the ions and its environment. Okay, so positively charged ions are smaller than the neutral along because of increasing Z star. Negatively charged ions are larger than their neutral analogous because of decrease the screening effect, effective nuclear charge. Okay, so ionic radii in period lithium metal. So in lithium metal atom in neutral form, its atomic radius is 1.52 angstrom if they become a lithium positive ion or lose one electron to forms a lithium plus ion and forms its ionic radii is decreased 0.68 angstrom. In second group, barium. Barium in neutral form, its atomic radii is 1.13 and it's become lose 2 electron to form say barium 2 plus ion and its radii decrease 0.31. Okay, similarly in other. Okay, so atomic radii is depends on the types of ion. Okay, metallic radii, covalent radii and ionic radii. There are different types of atomic radii are present and they depends on the types of ion. Okay, so if the lose electron then decrease the size of atoms and if the gain of electron to form say increase the atomic radius of the ion because increasing in decreasing in effective nuclear charge. Okay, so now we are stop here. Then next lecture we are discuss on crystal radii. Okay, so now we are stop here. Thank you watching this video. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.